Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn, and if you were to ask me what my top 5 brands that I would love to receive PR from would be, Lush would be in that top 5. If you were to ask me if I would ever be on one of those PR lists, my answer would be absolutely not, probably never. About 2 weeks ago, I received an email. The email was from a PR representative at Lush Cosmetics, and it read something along the lines of, "I'm interested in putting you on our PR list. Please respond with your name and address if you're interested." And I thought, this is a joke. There is no way, absolutely zero chance that this is legit. So I responded back with my name and address because just in case. 3 days ago, I received another email from the same PR representative that said, "Just wanted to send you a note to let you know that we have sent a special festive and fizzy delivery your way and it should be arriving any day now." No. Still to myself, I thought there's no way that this is real. Absolutely no way am I about to receive a PR package from the one and only Lush Cosmetics, one of my top favorite brands that I've ever purchased from. 24 hours after that email popped up into my inbox, I came home from work and Alex told me that there was a present in the kitchen for me. I still don't believe that this is real. There's no way that I am holding this right now. Oh my God, I can smell it through the package. Now, I received this Thursday. It is now Saturday. You better believe that I wanted to just rip into this immediately, but I wanted to share this unboxing with you. As you can see, I have not opened this. I haven't dug into it. I have no idea what's in here. There could be just a few products in here. There could be a few more than a few products in here. I really have no idea. The only thing I'm pretty sure of is that there is holiday items in here for Christmas time based on the email that I received. Also, I might have filmed this on Thursday or Friday, but I have been recovering from a head cold, but I'm feeling a fair amount better today. So I was able to apply a full face of makeup, get on camera, and open this with you. And I don't know if this is the only box that I'm going to be receiving for Lush. It was like a one-time PR stunt, or if I'm on their permanent PR list. Regardless, I just feel so honored to have received this box. And I'm so excited to share with you the items that are inside. I know that Lush holiday releases are some of their most popular releases. Okay, that's probably enough babbling. I don't know why I'm putting this off. I think it's just because of how excited I am, and I'm wanting the excitement to just fester. Also, if you've ever wondered what's inside of a Lush PR box, you and me both. All right, we got some cards on top. Looks like you made the nice list. Yes, yes I did. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna read this to you because it looks important. Our Christmas collection launches online October 15th and in stores November 1st. So online you can already get these items November 1st if you're in stores. But we decided to make Christmas come a little early just for you. And this Christmas we're inviting you to get ethical. From ethically sourced ingredients grown on our regenerative farms to the empowering women in India at Rewrap, makers of our cotton knot wraps, to putting our face on our products so you know it's handmade. We're proud to be the most ethical store on the block. So cut back on waste and make an impact with our stunning ethical Christmas range. XOXO Lush. And then we have, ho ho hold up, did Santa just arrive early? I am so excited, oh my God. Some of you might think this is so stupid, but I hope that some of you understand and can feel just how much this means to me. Okay, look at how cute the inside of the box is. Look at all of the doodles. Okay, so this is a little booklet. I don't want to look too closely at it because I want to be a little more surprised at what's inside. I want to just grab bag in here because again, I don't know what's in here. I don't know how much is in here. Ooh, ooh, what is this? Okay, so first and foremost, in the box, we have this. This is the cinnamon orange bath melt. I have never tried a bath melt. I did purchase some of their little ones recently when I was at Lush because I recently moved into a new house and have a bathtub for the first time in like 5 years. So I am very excited. This looks so cool. I guess the trouble with not looking at this is that now I need to look at this to be able to tell you what it is. Okay, so orange bath oil tablet. Sink into hydrating cocoa butter waters with this nostalgic blend of cinnamon, clove, and orange. Oh, okay, so, oh, I'm so excited to smell this. Thank goodness my nose is cleared up enough that I can actually smell these items. Oh my God. Oh, it smells so holiday. Does that make sense? Look at how cute this looks. Oh, it smells kind of herbally, but spicy at the same time. If you like relaxing, comforting, spicy, warm smells, this might be a good option for you. I assume you wouldn't want to use this entire thing with one bath, so I bet that you can hold it by the string and then stir it around in the water while it melts and then pull it out. So that's kind of handy. Okay, ooh, next. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We have got a big boy in here. Oh, this smells so good. Oh my God, this is huge. This is heavy. Oh, this is Santa Bomb Bomb Bath Bomb. Oh wait, there's, what? Whoa, there's two. Hold on. Okay, so we have bottom half. Oh, oh my gosh. It's like a nutcracker, but Santa. This is freaking adorable. Oh my goodness. So you get 2 bath bombs that you put together to create Santa. How stinking cute. Okay, let me read a little about this guy. Santa Bomb Bomb Bath Bomb. Singing double, this fizzy, sweet scented Santa delivers 2 times the bath time fun. Oh my gosh, you guys, you have to go into stores and smell this on November 1st because it's not in stores yet. It smells so, so good. What is that? It has orange oil in it. Tonka. Yes, that is a scent that I really, really enjoy. Citric acid, Brazilian orange oil, and tonka. Now we got a bath oil and a bath bomb. What's next? Ooh, yes, next we have a body lotion. This is the Once Upon a Time body lotion. Glide this rich jojoba oil and maru butter lotion over your skin and watch dryness disappear. So let's see, what does this smell like? I could use another body lotion in my, oh, look at it. Ooh, this smells like something that's familiar. So let's see, so Once Upon a Time body lotion. Ooh, softening jojoba oil, nourishing maru butter, and a fresh apple scent, leave skin fairy tale soft, because this is called Once Upon a Time. Apple, I guess that's what the smell is that I'm smelling. It smells like apple. I kind of want to put this on. Let me just test it a little bit. Ooh. Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. Next. Ooh. This is what I heard rumbling around in there. This is a lip scrub. I used up a Lush lip scrub a while back and I really, really loved it. I think it's been my favorite lip scrub that I've ever used, if I'm being honest. And this is the Sugar Plum Fairy Lip Scrub. It has the fruity taste of black currants in it. Oh my God, it smells so good. I think this is the one that I had before. It smells so sweet, but like a really, really good sweet. So this is what the inside looks like. It is a blackberry purple color. If you haven't tried a Lush lip scrub, I would highly recommend them. This one I've used before and really loved. I also have been eager to try their mint one, which I think is in their regular line, but this is one that I've tried and loved and used up before. Would highly recommend. They also last for absolutely ever, so you definitely get your bang for your buck. Moving on, we have, ooh, what is this? Yes, oh my gosh. Next we have something that I have wanted to try because I believe this is a product that is not new to their collection. They've had these before, and it is the Santa's Belly Shower Jelly. I love their shower jellies. Alex and I use Whoosh, which is another one of theirs, all of the time. I have one in my shower right now. And Santa's Belly, oh my gosh, look at that. It's a jiggly belly and you can see his belt right there and it's got like this gold shimmer on it. Look at how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This smells really good. A festive red jelly filled with a fragrant star anise infusion and fresh apple. Oh, this smells so good. I just got it on my lip. I think that you can take it out. Can I take this out? If I take this out, will it get all over my hands? Probably. I don't know if you're supposed to take these out. Well, this is what it looks like. It has like a flat bottom, but it looks like a Santa's belly. How freaking cute is that? Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to take these out, but I did, and now I kind of regret it. All right, moving on. Ooh, is this another shower bomb? Yes, it is. Okay, so this is the Snow Fairy Crystal Ball Amazeball Bath Bomb. Oh, it's so cute. So this is what this looks like. Does this come out? It does. Okay, so this is how it comes, with a little star on top, and inside we have a bunch of powder. Oh my God, this smells so good. Okay, I need to read about this one. The Snow Fairy Amazeball Bath Bomb. Sprinkle something mystical into your bath, or use the whole thing for an indulgently sweet soak. We love to be naked, and this baby acts as its own packaging. How freaking cute. This is a pretty hefty bath bomb. So it sounds like you can kind of use it two ways. You can either sprinkle what's inside into the bath and then use that as your bath bomb, maybe add this in too, and then use the second half in another bath, or you can just throw the whole thing in there. We'll see what I decide to do. I love the way that this smells. All right, I think we have 2 more things left. Let's open this one up first. This is something I've wanted to try for a long time. It only comes out around the holidays, and I just never seem to make my way to a Lush during the holidays season. I kind of just stay at home. But this, oh my gosh, it smells so sweet. It smells like bubblegum. Let's see, invite a little magic into your shower with this candy scented sparkler. This does smell like candy, straight up candy, straight up sugar. So this is the 3.3 fluid ounce Snow Fairy shower gel. I'm definitely excited to use this when I need just a little extra sweetness in my life. And I believe there's just one thing left. Ooh, it's hefty. And it is the largest thing, except for that first bath bomb in the box. Oh yes, I'm obviously just so excited about everything. This is a shower scrub. It is the cookie dough shower scrub. Buff your body with this bakery fresh scent of vanilla absolute and hazelnut oil. Fun fact about me, every year my family makes Christmas cookies, and it's my favorite tradition in the world, so this just makes it extra special. Oh, and sure enough, it looks just like cookie dough. Oh my God. This looks and smells just like cookie dough. Keep this away from your children. I'm so excited to try this out. And this is a giant package. This is 9.5 ounces. This is huge. I'm so excited. And that is everything that came in my very first Lush PR box. These are some of the fun and exciting things that are launching for this holiday season in store on November 1st at Lush, or they're already available online. So if you'd like to check any of these out, I will leave the link to the Lush website down in the description box. Huge thank you to all of you for supporting my channel and helping to make something like this happen for me. I think it's so incredible, and I'm so incredibly thankful. Please like this video if you want to help support me further, and if enough people watch this video and like this video, then maybe they'll consider keeping me on their PR list, which would be so exciting. Already, I just cannot believe that this has happened. Again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. A huge thank you to Lush for sending me these products and for, you know, believing in little old me, little old small channel me. If you want to subscribe for more content, for more videos, for reviews, and future Lush hauls, regardless of if I stay on their PR list or not, definitely consider doing so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.